Is there anything you can do about the noise level of my heating and cooling system?
The noise level of the indoor and outdoor heating and air conditioning equipment is a common complaint from homeowners. There are many different manufacturers throughout our industry, and they each have many different levels or grades of product. Choosing the right product is one way to ward off noise issues. However, the installation of the equipment is the most common variation we see going from home to home. The Columbus Worthington Air installation team takes extra steps when we install new equipment to make sure the noise level is as quiet as possible. For example, we use vibration isolation pads, both on the indoor and outdoor unit. We install no-stress flex connectors whenever we rebuild a plenum. And we always use an insulated coil housing in every air conditioning or heat pump application. Just one more example of how my team at Columbus Worthington Air